Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to CompTech Geeks. Today, we're diving into the details of a recent Windows update that might not be on everyone's radar but is crucial for system recovery and maintenance. I'm talking about KB5034441, specifically a Windows Recovery Environment update for Windows 10 versions 21H2 and 22H2, released on January 9, 2024. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date with the latest tech insights. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this recovery-focused update. Microsoft has new update KB5034441, Windows Recovery Environment Update for Windows 10, version 21H2 and 22H2, January 9, 2024. This update automatically applies SafeOS Dynamic Update, KB5034232, to the Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE, on a running PC to address a security vulnerability that could allow attackers to bypass BitLocker encryption by using WinRE. For more information, kindly find Microsoft link on my description. This update requires 250 megabytes of free space in the recovery partition to install successfully. If the recovery partition does not have sufficient free space, this update will fail. In this case, you will receive the following error message: 0x800700643 error_install_failure. The next video I am going to teach you on how to create instructions to manually resize your partition to install the WinRE update.